Hi, my name is Steele, the National Sales Manager at Kilgore International. We're here inside our training center today to give a step-by-step direction on how to put together the Porta-Sim as well as how it functions. Here are the parts that are included in the package when you unwrap it for your Porta-Sim stand. So you're going to have the base of the stand right here. Second part is going to be the post with the mount. And the third part is going to be your instrument tray. Once you have all three of these parts, you're ready to assemble. All right, step number one, we're going to take the base out of the box. We're going to open it up. This is going to create a nice, stable surface for us to work from anywhere. Step number two, we're going to take your post and we're going to take your instrument tray that came in your box. Now for step two, all we're going to do is insert the instrument tray inside of the post. Step number three is just simply tighten this tray. Now before we do that, I like to adjust this, right? Now I like to go a little bit more than halfway up, just for ergonomic purposes. And for step three, again, we're tightening the black knob down so it securely tightens onto this post. Okay. Step number four, simple. We're just going to insert this pole right in the base. You let it go all the way down, not a big deal. Now for step number five, depending on the surface and the area you're working at, if you're working at your desk or you're standing up, you have to adjust the height to get the proper ergonomics. And to do that, it's very easy. All you have to do is just simply adjust this as high as you want, as low as you want. Once you have it adjusted for step five, we're going to tighten this black knob down. Again, to give you a better look at that, we're taking this black knob here and we're just tightening this right down. And again, if you need to make an adjustment, quarter turn, loosen it up, make your adjustment, tighten it back down. So once we have this all set up, we will be ready to work in any environment at any time. All right, now that we have the Porta-Sim set up and whatever kind of working environment that you want to place it into, all you need now is a Typodont. So we have a Kilgore Typodont. For this demonstration, it's a 200 series Typodont. Any one of our Typodonts that have this DP articulator with that hole in the center, you can use it on this Porta-Sim stand. So you have this. A couple things to remember. You have this wing nut here. Once this is onto the pole, you tighten that wing nut on the flat surface of the bar. Remember, there's only one flat surface on this bar. So tighten it down to there. You're going to have this DP lock. This is going to be on there. Keep it on there underneath the model. When it's secure, when you're ready to secure it, you tighten down that black knob. So for this demonstration, I'm going to keep it loose for now. We're going to take the Typodont, put over the pole. I'm going to tighten the wing nut to the flat surface like we just talked about. Now from here, close the jaw. Take the DP lock, have it come all the way up. Jaw falls, DP lock falls. Again, I keep the mandible secure, DP lock up, jaw down, DP lock down, I tighten it. And that just will be nice and secure for you. Once your Typodont is secure, it's open, it's ready for you to work on, we go ahead and we make our adjustments, right? So whatever position you want to get into ergonomically can be done with this handle here. So again, you have to just give a quarter turn to that handle. Once you've done that, you can go side to side. You can go up, you can go back down. So whatever kind of angle you need to get in the proper position, it's totally up to you, and you should be able to make that adjustment right here. So once this handle, or once your Typodont, secure, we go ahead, tighten this handle back down, and now we're all ready to work in that position. And again, if you need to adjust the height on this, we know how to do that. We can adjust that with this knob down here. And again, if you need to adjust this instrument tray, it's with this knob right here. So whatever position you need to get in, it's kind of customizable to that for you. So once you have it set up in the position that you would work best for you, and you'll be all set to go. Hey, we hope you all liked the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section if you get the opportunity, and check us out at kilgoreinternational.com. We're going to see you at the next video.